The waves were rising, the wind was howling, and the boat was about to break apart. The disciples panicked.
"We're going to die."
Water crashed over the sides. Fear filled every heart. But Jesus was asleep, in the middle of the storm.
"Teacher, don't you care that we're perishing?"
He stood up, looked at the raging sea, and spoke just 3 words.
"Peace, be still."
Instantly, the wind stopped, the waves froze, and everything went silent. The storm obeyed him.
"Why are you so afraid? Do you still have no faith? Who is this that even the wind and the waves obey him?"
Because the same voice that calms storms can calm your life too.